Welcome to Code Bro Code. In our previous video, we are successfully added our database configuration and we are successfully connect our application to the MySQL database. In this video, we are going to create our first entity. For that, we are going to create new package. All packages are inside in this application blogger. We are creating our first package called entities. All entities are inside the package. Don't be scared of this names. Entity means plain Pojo class, plain old Java object class. So we are creating our first entity user. In that we are taking username, user ID, user gender, password, email. That we are writing private ID. String name. Private. This is good. String email. String private string gender. Okay, and I think these are enough. ID name, email, password, enter. Now we want getters and setters, and that's so constant. In our Java programs, we always create our getters and setters like this. Getters and setters like this. You can see this very much big code, but there is no need because we are using DOM block. So you just need add to one DOM block annotation, that is data. This data consists of all your getters and setters. This will automatically create getters and setters. After that, inner constructor, for that we use all our constructors. So no args constructor. We have to create user table in our database. For that, we need to add one annotation called entity. Because user is our entity. If we add this entity on this user, this will automatically create one table in our MySQL database. That we have to give one primary key. That is must, because it will give the error if you don't give ID. For that, we have to use annotation called ID for Jakarta persist. After that, we want that ID will automatically generate it. For that, we are using one annotation called generated value. In that, we give strategy auto generated type identity. That will automatically create our ID. Okay, I think we can just run the application. I will tell again what we did. Okay, we created our first entity, user. In that we take user ID, username, user email, user password, user gender. If we want more, we can also add. We will add letter. For our getter setter, we add annotation called data. This is long annotation. For constructor, all are constructor, not constructor, and we add entity for creating user table in our database. We call ID. This is our primary key. ID is our primary key because every SQL table need one primary key. We give the generated value status type identity that will automatically create our ID. So this our entity is created successfully. So we can run our application and check what happened. If we see in our MySQL, there is no tables. Okay, now we can run our application. Here lambda condition. Okay. Enable. Oh, there is error. MySQL CJ exception. Connecting the random exception missing. I think we did something wrong. Not application properties. Okay. Okay, that was happened because I wrote blog application spelling wrong. For that, this is showing me. And now we are running our application. So our application is running. Connected successfully. Okay, so our application is saved. Okay, now open your MySQL and check here your user. Right click and select rows, and you can see ID, email, sender, name, password. Our table is successfully created in our MySQL. Our user table is created. Our user entity is created. In next video, we are going to create our next entity. So stay tuned. Please do like, subscribe.